Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. You've just finished cleaning your throttle body, which is a great step for engine maintenance, but you might notice your car's idle speed is now a bit erratic, perhaps too high or too low, and this is a common occurrence because your car's engine control unit, or ECU, needs to relearn the new, cleaner airflow after removing all that carbon buildup that was previously restricting air intake. So today I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to reset your idle speed control, ensuring your engine runs smoothly and efficiently once again. First, let's briefly understand why this happens. The ECU adapts to the old, restricted airflow from carbon buildup, and when you clean it, suddenly there's more air, but the ECU is still operating on old data, causing the idle issues, so we need to teach it the new normal. The simplest and often most effective method is the battery disconnect. Carefully disconnect your car's negative battery terminal, usually marked with a minus sign, and leave it disconnected for at least 15 to 20 minutes, as this effectively drains the ECU's temporary memory, forcing it to start fresh with its learning process. Then reconnect the battery, start your car, and let it idle for about 10 to 15 minutes without touching the accelerator pedal, allowing the ECU to begin its initial relearn phase. And after this, take your car for a short drive, driving gently at first, varying your speeds and including some highway and stop-and-go conditions, which helps the ECU adapt to a full range of operating parameters. If the battery disconnect doesn't completely resolve the issue, or if you prefer not to disconnect the battery, you can try an ECU relearn drive cycle. Start your car and ensure it reaches its full operating temperature, then drive the car for at least 15 to 20 minutes, making sure to include a mix of driving conditions like highway speeds, city driving, and some gentle accelerations and decelerations, because during this time, the ECU is continuously monitoring all engine sensors and actively learning the new airflow characteristics. And while this method might take a few separate drive cycles, patience is key, and the idle should stabilize naturally over time. For some specific car models, there might be manufacturer-specific reset procedures that involve sequences of turning the ignition on and off or pressing the accelerator pedal in a certain pattern, so it's always a good idea to consult your car's owner's manual or search online forums for your particular make and model if the standard methods don't work, though these are less common for a basic throttle body clean. A crucial tip for any of these procedures is to always ensure your engine is at its normal operating temperature, as cold engines behave differently, and also, double-check all connections around the throttle body and air intake system for any potential vacuum leaks after your cleaning, as a loose hose or gasket can also cause persistent idle problems. That's it. Resetting your idle speed control after a throttle body clean is usually a straightforward process, and with these steps, your car should be idling smoothly and efficiently once again. Thanks for watching this video. I truly hope it was helpful for you. If it provided value, please give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the channel for more useful car maintenance tips and guides, as your support genuinely helps the channel grow and allows us to create more content. See you next time.